Hello everyone, my name is Tian and today I would like to introduce you to my robot coffee machine. It can create coffee for you to drink. It consists of 2 servo motors here and here, 2 gear motors for the conveyor belt which is here and here. It also has a battery and a controller. First, you have to fill a cup with some hot water, then switch on the robot, then put the cup on the conveyor belt and put your hand in the sensor, then the robot will start working. The robot will first pour in the coffee powder, then the conveyor belt will move the cup under gear motor 2, and gear motor 2 will be lowered down by servo motor 4. After that, it will just keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. After the stirring, it will be lifted up back by servo motor 4. Then, the conveyor belt will move the cup to the end. The coffee is finished. Now you can drink it. Here, let me show you the demo. First, switch open the robot, then prepare a cup of hot water, put it on the conveyor belt, and the robot will start working. Let's switch open the robot. Then put the cup on the conveyor belt. Place your hand near the sensor and the robot will start working. So this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then please like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.